In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of clips in CapCut. If your clips aren't in the sequence you want, don't worry. Rearranging them is quick and simple once you know where to look and what to drag. Start by opening CapCut. From here, bring your footage into the project by importing all the videos you plan to use. You can import from your computer or device storage. Just select everything you want in your edit in one go so it's easier to manage. After the files appear in your media panel, you'll want to move them to the timeline, which is the horizontal area where your edit comes together. Drag all of the imported clips down into the timeline so you can see them laid out from left to right. That left to right order is the exact playback order CapCut will follow. Now comes the part you're here for, changing the order. To reorder clips, click and hold on a clip in the timeline, then drag it to the new position you want. As you move it, you'll see a placement indicator that shows where the clip will land. Release the mouse or lift your finger and CapCut will snap it into place, shifting the surrounding clips automatically. That's all there is to it. Drag to move, drop to set. If you're working with a lot of clips, zooming in on the timeline can make placement more precise. Look for the timeline zoom control and adjust until you can clearly see the boundaries between clips. You can also turn on snapping if it isn't already enabled. Snapping helps the clip edges lock neatly against each other so there are no accidental gaps or overlaps. If you need to move more than one clip together, select them first, then drag as a group to keep them in sequence. As you reorder, press play to preview your changes. Watch how the story flows and make sure transitions feel natural. If something doesn't look right, simply drag the clip again until the timing works. Remember, CapCut updates instantly, so you can experiment freely without losing progress. When you're satisfied with the order, you're essentially done with this task. CapCut typically auto-saves your project, but it's a good idea to manually save before you move on to trimming, adding music, or exporting. To recap quickly, open CapCut, import all your videos, drag them onto the timeline, and then drag clips left or right to set the exact sequence you want. That's the cleanest and fastest way to control your edits order in CapCut.